It's just, we were sitting around down there a couple months ago at the beach, and Nicole, it was raining outside. It never rains at the beach. And she was like, man, what do you do when it's raining? Is what she said. And so I just kind of took that line and ran with it. And this is what we came up with. So you guys check it out. See if you like it. Life can be crazy, drive you insane sometimes. Tapping the way they do, ain't nothing going right. That's what storms do until they pass on through. So what do you do when it's raining? What do you do when the clouds come rolling in? Grab you some whiskey and some place to ride it out. Just enjoy the grace and hold on for better days till the sunshine shines again. This was southeast, you find yourself lost for a while. When it starts coming down, ain't hard to figure out. What do you do when it's raining? What do you do when the clouds come rolling in? Grab you some whiskey and some place to ride it out till the sunshine shines again. What do you do when it's raining? What do you do when the clouds come rolling in? Or grab you some whiskey and some place to ride it out. Just enjoy the grace and hold on for better days till the sunshine shines again. Shines again.